Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Nexus Repository Manager on Ubuntu 24.04. First, install OpenJDK 17 and verify the installation. Next, go to the Nexus Repository Downloads page and copy the link for the latest version. Then, use the following command to download it. Once the download is complete, extract it. Continue to rename the extracted Nexus Setup folder. As a security practice, do not run the Nexus service using the root user, so we will create a new user named Nexus to run the Nexus service. To set no password for the Nexus user, open the Visudo file. Then, add the following line to it, save, and exit. Next, permit the Nexus files and the Nexus directory for the Nexus user. To run Nexus as a service at boot time, open the following file and add the Nexus user. Continue to open the following file. To increase the Nexus JVM heap size, you can modify the size as follows. To run Nexus as a service using systemd, run the following command. Then, insert the following content. Next, start Nexus by running the following command. Continue to enable Nexus service at system startup. After that, check the Nexus service status. If you are running UFW firewall on Ubuntu, open the firewall port 8081 using the following command. Next, find the default password to log in to Nexus by running the following command and copying it. Now, to access the Nexus Repository web interface, open your browser and go to the following URL. You will see the default Nexus page. To log in to Nexus, click on Sign In. The default username is admin. Paste the default Nexus password and log in. You can reset the password once logged into Nexus. Finally, you have successfully installed Nexus Repository on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS.